Hello everyone, it's OrganHam4903 here, and in this video I will be showing you my fire alarm collection. Okay, so let's get started. I have quite a few alarms, so I want to show you all of them. So, I'm going to do these in no particular order. I'm just going to randomly take them out of the bin and tell you the model number. So this is my 4903-9219, as you can see here. And we're going to set that there. This is one of my favorite mechanical horns. And this is my ESL 449 CST that I got from my grandma's house. I haven't actually tested it yet, but I assume it works. We have my system sensor P2RH LF, low frequency sounder. This thing can wake the dead. And we have my notifier LNG1R. And we have my Wheelock blue alert strobe. I don't really remember the model number of this. And we have my Wheelock 34T. And my Simplex 4906-9134 chime strobe. I really like this alarm. And my 4901-9820 remote horn, which is Smart Sync or Free Run. And here we have my Gentex Commander 4, and it's set on 150 candela. And we have my Simplex 4903-9254, which you'd be able to see if my camera could focus. And we have my Simplex 4903-9236. My camera doesn't want to focus. And we have the Fried Egg, which is an EST Genesis alert speaker strobe. And the Wheelock Alexa. Looks like it needs braces, to be honest. And this is a True Alert. This is my Smart Sync one, my 4906-9127. And we have my Gentex SHG. This is the second generation with the lower pitched commander horn. And it's missing a terminal, but that's fine. And we have my Potter SH1224 multi-tone horn strobe. And we have my Simplex 2901-9838 mechanical horn. It's a fun thing to do. And we have my Amsico SH24C. And here's my Wheelock CH70. And here's my Simplex 2099-9756 with the broken-ish push bar. I fixed it so it kind of works. But it's missing these terminals on the back. That's one of the things I don't really like about it. And we have one of my two Firelight BG12s. This is the newer one. That says Firelight Alarms by Honeywell. And here's my system sensor speaker strobe. I could check the model number on it. It is an SP1R2475-80A. This came out with the mass. You can tell because the absolutely giant, enormous strobe. And it's apparently pretty rare. And we have my system sensor P2W. Just a regular wall mount spectral advanced horn strobe. And here we have my collector controls DUSMC. And my system sensor HRL. I like how you can code this. And my Smart Sync module. My Wheelock 7002T, which is really heavy. My MDL. Here's my other True Alert. It's free run. See, 4903 9426. And my system sensor P1224 MC. This is just a regular classic. And my Amber Wheelock LED exceeder. Oh, I should mention, that one over there is an LED 3. And this one's just a regular LED. So the flash is a little bit longer. And we have my Edwards G1RF HDVM. This was my first notification appliance. And here's my system sensor P2RL. Just right there. And here's my Faraday 5394. It's basically a Siemens UEC MCS. My EST G1RF-C. The older of my two Firelight BG12s. Because it just has Firelight. My Gentex Commander 3. My high school used to have these. And a Wheelock Alert speaker strobe with a clear lens, which is pretty cool. You can use it for fire and mouse notification. And we have a classic speaker strobe. It's a white ceiling mount. And we have a ceiling mount True Alert. It's a high intensity one. It's a 4906 9140. And we have my Simplex 2903 light strobe plate, not light plate. My system sensor P2WL. My classic chime strobe with the peeling alert sticker. And my system sensor spectral advanced speaker strobe, the SPSCR, I believe. Yeah, SPSCR. My ESL 541 NC SXT. And the system sensor P2RK, which is an outdoor spectral alert advance. This is my EST Integrity. It's non-enhanced 30 candela. My Wheelock RSS multi-candela. My EST, this is a 278 series pole station, I believe. It's like a conventional SIGA. But they designed the tamper-proof screw knot very well, so it's kind of a pain to open. And we have my Siemens UMMT. It's a white ceiling mount one, which is pretty cool. And it has a broken grill bar, but that's fine. We have my Wheelock HSWC, I believe. It's a white ceiling mount exceeder. My 4251-30. And my SW. My white ESD Genesis horn strobe. And my HSR. All the other stuff in the bin is just like parts and stuff. And I'm gonna move out of the way so you guys can see the whole collection. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like. If you'd like, comment your favorite part of the video, or just drop any kind of comment. If you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure to subscribe